I think I finally figured out what I'm gonna do with this. This is Car Talks here, man, and today I think I wanted to actually try to bring some form of value to people like me. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, like the point of this channel is we gonna be spitting facts about a multitude of things. You know what I'm saying? And today I really want to bring some value to people that's like me. You know what I'm saying? And this is the difference. Like, this is why I really feel like this is gonna be a timeless thing, because even in the beginning I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm documenting everything that I'm doing, that I'm explaining the best way that I can in a YouTube term.
I won't break the code. Young niggas try not to die. We just pray that we get old. My niggas is gone. If they was not in the field, I won't put their name in the song. I've been in the zone. Calling my niggas from jail, just praying they pick up the phone. Try to get niggas to come get it with me. If they was too busy, I'll get it alone. Watch how you approach. Young niggas.
Alright, so a lot of y'all might be, hold on bro, I'm sorry, it's hot as fuck in my car, bro. I'm sorry, y'all gonna have to hear this AC. Y'all gonna have to hear it. But yeah, man, so a lot of y'all are looking to buy your cars. Some of y'all are even ahead of me right now. Matter of fact, not even some, a lot of y'all are ahead of me right now on, you know what I'm saying, even trying to purchase a house or something like that, man. But it's like, okay, I bet a lot of people that's my age don't even think to begin. And the ones that are here, welcome, because I'm about to show you a thing or two. Welcome back to Spitting Facts, because that's what we be doing over here every day. It's another video that's gonna be dropping. It's a daily thing. We just gonna keep going until eventually something pop off, man. Like, we not stopping, bro. So y'all might as well go ahead and join the fam now, man. Be a real one with your boy, you feel me? Let's get it, dog. Alright, so man, for today I'm about to really go ahead and show y'all and tell y'all, well, not even show y'all because I don't got nothing to show. So I'm gonna tell y'all, this is a car talk. That's what I'm gonna start actually, you know, doing these videos as. Car talks. It's like so bland and so basic and shit, but the information that's inside of these videos is actually what you're here for. You're here for the value of what's being said and what's being taught. You're not here for the entertainment. Of course, I could throw in a joke here and there, or, you know what I'm saying, while I'm explaining shit, but we'll get to that. Alright, so again, with credit, I'm really just gonna go straight to the basics. I do have an intermediate level of knowledge on this topic, and I really feel like it's very important for us to be able to understand exactly everything that has to happen here. So you want to get you a car or something like that, right? I mean, me, I'm 23 years old. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't the most stern when it came to credit at first, but I do realize and I do understand that it's extremely vital in today's society that you have credit. If you don't know that, please, I just hooked y'all up, bro. So what y'all want to do, this is the first thing you have to do if you want to even start building credit. If you're younger, if you're under 18, you know what I'm saying, of course talk to your parents about it and things like that. But if you're someone that's like a young adult, just not going to college, or maybe even just graduating from college or something like that, and you're trying to figure out how this credit thing works, I can go ahead and explain you a few things here and get you guys started off to you know, building that credit and getting that journey there started. So the thing you want is a thing called a secure credit card, right? So I don't think I have mine for an example, but I'll show y'all in another clip actually on what that actually looks like there. But what you want to do is you can go, if you don't have this app, it's called Credit Karma. Credit Karma is the app that, it's not exactly what you want to use to say these are direct numbers, because Credit Karma actually does have some inaccuracies in it compared to the actual credit bureaus, which is where you actually want to get your credit reports from, which you do get one free credit report per year. Now, of course, if you don't have credit to begin with, it's like, I don't even have credit. So what do? You get a secure credit card, like I said. So where do I go about getting these secure credit cards, or how do I get one? Like I said, with the Credit Karma app, it actually would help you start that up. You know what I'm saying? It'll actually suggest things, and I'm gonna actually leave like something somewhere up here, like kind of showing what that actually looks like. You know what I'm saying? And give y'all a little taste of that there. But yeah, what you really want is to get those suggestions, and then you want to apply for those credit cards. Now, with secured credit cards, being that you don't have credit, 9 times out of 10 you should get accepted for it. and this is where we get into a little bit more in depth, so I can let you guys understand how you're supposed to work these credit cards once you get them. Okay, so let's say you get a secured credit card. The majority of them, you know, they're like $200 deposit. So you do have to save up some money if you don't have to get these credit cards. They do have some secured credit cards that are like $50. I think Discover that has one where it's like $49.99 you pay for, and then you use that limit to build credit. And then you can have a $100 one, and then you have the $200 one. But then you can also go up to as much as you want. Now that is what sets your limit for this credit card, right? So what you do is now you have, for example, like with me, and I had got 2 credit cards because I was like, it's time for me to start building my credit, you know. So I got 2 secureds. I bought them both for $200. Now you have this total limit here. Remember that. What you want to do is when you use this card, you don't want to go over a certain number. What's that number? 30%. This is called credit utilization. Now with credit utilization, what you got to do is you want to keep the amount of money that you spend at a certain number that you cut it off pretty much, and you don't use it anymore after that when you've reached that limit. So for me, for example, you got to keep, if I got to keep my credit within a 30% of 200, you know, you do the math, that's $60 that I have to spend on each credit card that I do end up having to pay back. That's the thing that you got to remember, is you have to pay that back. That's how you build the credit. That's pretty much the basics of it. Now to give y'all an extra tip, you know what I'm saying, because you know what I'm saying, and people ain't out here helping us, bro. Like, you see me, man, you see me, I'm not getting no help with this. That camera I bought, not gonna go into it anyway. What you really want to do though, if you want to build your credit the fastest, because it still takes time, like it's like a monthly thing that this does, you know what I mean? What you want to do is you want to keep that credit utilization within 10%. Now why? Because of course it builds your credit faster. Now with that, there's a sacrifice that you do have to make with, you know, not being able to spend money. So if you're broke and poor like me, and you know what I'm saying, you hungry, you want something to eat real quick or something like that, you just gonna have to I mean, hey, you can do what you got to do, you know what I'm saying, by all means. You know, it's all situational there, but me, I just take that punch, you know what I'm saying, because you gotta be willing to sacrifice something to gain something else, you feel me? So yeah, man, that's pretty much what you want to do to start off when it comes to credit. Pretty much just to recap it all, download Credit Karma, figure out what kind of secured credit cards they're offering for you once you download it and create you an account and everything like that, so they can go ahead and get you started. You order that those credit cards. They do take about 2 to 3 weeks sometimes before they actually get to you, because they actually have to create these cards, you know what I'm saying. And then after you get your card, then that's when you utilize it by the limit that there is. Now there is a lot more to this credit thing, and like I said, I'm only like an intermediate person, but that's literally all it takes. Alright y'all, so just real quick, I did say I was going to show y'all what these cards look like, and yeah, here we go, man. Just to give y'all a little example, man. So what I have is a I have this here, so hold on, let me see if I can get that bitch to fucking focus in for me. This shit sucks, bro. I can't wait till I get this lens, man. Hey, Friday when I get paid, y'all, new video is gonna be coming out. It's gonna be way better crisp quality. But yeah, I'm just have to do this like this, man, because fuck, you gotta work with what we got, man. I'm telling y'all, if y'all stick with me, bro, I'm telling y'all, I'm being improving, I'm getting better. But as y'all can see here though, anyway, I got a Discover It card, you know what I'm saying, credit card secured, and then I got a Capital One secured credit card as well. So I got 2 of those, like I said, and I want to go ahead and actually throw in a quick tip for y'all too. To be honest, the best time to start this is now, and there's many reasons why I can go over, but to make this really quick, I'm gonna go ahead and get to the most important point. The rest of the points is kind of common knowledge there. Alright, so right now with credit, the Braille's, because of the bill that's been passed as far as student loans and things like that. So if you're someone that's like me, who's like either a college dropout or a college graduate, I'm a college dropout, I'm keeping it a buck with y'all. I couldn't do that shit. It wasn't me, it wasn't for me. But what you want to do is start now, because they put a hold on all of that. So if you haven't been building credit, or if you haven't been able to even like start paying off your student loans, things like that, you can go ahead and still get your credit back right. Because remember, the credit scores are in between 300 and 850. My credit score was, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it was at like a 525. I said I wasn't gonna say it earlier, but fuck it, because like I said, we spit facts, we keep it real on this channel, you know what I'm saying? I don't hide nothing. I have nothing to hide. You know what I'm saying? I'm already at the bottom, I'm trying to gain. So while I'm gaining and trying to learn and maneuver, I'm documenting this and I'm trying to show everybody else things that they could do too. I'm giving these tips and these tricks because 9 times out of 10, if you're watching this video, you're probably in the same position that I'm in, you know what I'm saying? So, like, I don't understand like how I can give you this much value when nobody's fucking with it. Like, it's like mind-blowing, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, man. But again, just to say, if y'all really enjoyed this content and if y'all wanted to see more, let me know in the comments. Leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for coming to We Spittin' Facts. It's your boy Noah Man, and we out. Peace. I got the medicine, I got that light Thomas Edison. I go on raw, ain't no editing. Don't know one unknown, I ain't better than. Ain't give me shit, I ain't sharing it. Ain't no connect, ain't no pairing it. But my squad got the tools in case you niggas need the handyman. Yeah. Drip, drop, winter time, get the block.